How to get soundboard on Roblox voice chat. To get a soundboard on Roblox voice chat, you'll need to use third-party software such as Voice Mod. So, what you need to do first is to go ahead and download Voice Mod. This application allows you to have your own soundboard for your PC device. So voice mod is one of the most popular tools for soundboards and voice effects. So go ahead and download the version of voice mod that is compatible for your device. So voice mod is compatible for both Windows 10 and 11 and Mac OS. Now, once you have downloaded the app, install and launch the app on your Windows PC. Go to the Soundboard tab and add your favorite sound clips. Set voice mod as your default microphone in Windows settings and open Roblox and join a game with voice chat enabled. Press assigned hotkeys to trigger soundboard effects during gameplay. Voice mod also includes voice changers, meme sounds, and custom audio options. Take note that Roblox voice chat is only available to users 13 plus with ID verification and use soundboards responsibly. Spamming or disruptive sounds may result in moderation actions, and soundboards only work on PC, so they're not supported in mobile or console versions. And that is how you can basically get soundboard on Roblox voice chat.